You're at work, the Wi-Fi is so bad. I'm sorry about that. Okay, Twitch is golden. YouTube is golden. TikTok, it's golden. And stream focus. So I'm using a new build of stream focus right now that I've not released yet. But it has a really cool feature where now if you move it from one monitor to a different monitor of a different resolution, it will stay visually consistent, like the same size. Before, because I'm on a 4K monitor primary, and my secondary monitor is like, it's in between 1080 and 4K. It's like 2000 something. And when I would switch it from this screen to my secondary screen, the UI size on Stream Focus would get bigger because it's a smaller resolution. So now I've made it consistent so that it's the same. It stays the same no matter what resolution monitor you switch it to. It's really cool. Super excited about it. So yeah, it's working nicely now. Let me log in. TikTok, Pixel Fire Games. Should start getting chat here. Let's see this. Let's see. Did I spell it right? Yes. There we go. 7 viewers. Boop. That matches. Okay, so if TikTok chats, then we should see the messages right in here. Let's get Twitch in here too. Boop. Twitch. Gotta log in. And then Pixel Fire. Beauty. Twitch should be popping in. Oh, I gotta make a Discord message too. Let's see. Why can't I edit this? Okay, edit message. Copy. Paste. So everyone, thanks for the 4 viewers we've got on TikTok and the 1 on Twitch. There's a chat message. What camera do you use? This is the Facecam Pro by Elgato. Thanks for being here, Brandon. Okay, let's get YouTube in here. Doobie-doop. Okay, my API key. I really hope we get the API quota increase from YouTube soon so we don't have to keep typing in the API key individually. Soon, this whole API section will just go away, which is going to be beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well, multi-chat app, this is called Stream Focus, and this is something that I actually created and released like a week and a half ago. And we're almost at 50 users now, which I'm super pumped about. It's just crazy, crazy, crazy. If you want to check out Stream Focus, you can get on my website today if you really want to. It is in early access though. We're super early in development. That is the wrong account. Go. Credentials, boop. Oh, go back. Okay, there we go. And a link to my stream. Boop. Okay, YouTube should be coming in shortly. You turned 17 on the 18th. That's awesome, Scroufy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Scroufy. Happy birthday to Scroufy. Happy birthday to Scroufy. Happy birthday to you. Nice, how much? So right now, it's open to, so you can get memberships on my website. Pretty much exactly like what you would get on Patreon. So right now, Stream Focus is in early access to the Ember tier and above, which is $10. The $10 and above tier, you can get Stream Focus, and then eventually, after the first round of early access, I'll open it up to the lower tier as well, and then eventually, sometime after that, I'll open it up for free to everyone, like a base version of Stream Focus for free, with like optional enhancements for members. Yes, per month. Okay, so we're good. Why is YouTube not picking up anything? We don't have any viewers on YouTube. That's it still should show a 0 though. Why isn't it showing a 0? That's odd. Hey, Doctor Gamer, thank you for the rose and the TikToks, and Samantha for the heart. Me means a lot, guys. Thank you. Okay, 1 viewer on YouTube. Awesome, but it's not showing up on here. Interesting. Blah, blah, blah. Try to restart it. Come on, Stream Focus. Yes! Victory. Okay. Can your app also work with Whatnot? What is Whatnot? I've never heard of Whatnot before. I would keep this active. Okay, so right now, a really good feature for Stream Focus would be having it always stay on top. Let me see, because if I go to this screen, yep, Stream Focus goes away. So, I mean, eventually, soon actually, I will make Stream Focus so that you can have a separate window as well. So you can have one window, which is like your primary Stream Focus window, which would be this. And then you can have a secondary panel that only shows chat. And that would be your overlay section of Stream Focus. And that you could make that transparent or whatever you want to do. So this would be like the control hub of Stream Focus, sorry. And then you would have a second Stream Focus that you could pop out, and that would be your overlay. So that'll come soon too. Okay, but today we are continuing on with Tooland game development. So Tooland is a video game that I'm working on for a client. And a few days ago, we were working on the enemy randomizer. So these are the enemies. And right now, every enemy has every single item on. But when you play it, we actually got it working, mostly, to where it will randomize the color of every wearable item, and then also which wearable items are used. Ignore the rainbow Mario Kart star invincibility guy. So some of them have masks, some of them don't have masks, some of them have hood up, hood down, some of them have sleeves up, sleeves down, and some of them have hair or no hair. Make sure you guys can see all this. The Unknown Knight, what's up? How's it going? Big streaming platform for collectibles, big demand for this type of app that works with it. Oh, Whatnot. Okay, got it. I will look up Whatnot after stream for sure. Yeah, I'm super excited about this So this is a new, I already mentioned this, but for new viewers hopping on, this is a new build of Stream Focus that I haven't quite released yet, but it has crash reporting in it, so which is super awesome. So you guys can see this down here. Crash and error reporting. You turn this on. It's an opt-in. So you turn this on, and then whenever something goes wrong, a bug happens or Stream Focus crashes, it will send a bug report to us and tell us what the bug is, which is super, 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 super helpful. Some users have been getting a crash whenever they try to close Stream Focus. I have no idea what it is because it doesn't happen on my end. So this will be that'll be awesome to tell me what's going on. So I'm super excited about that. But I'm also super excited that this custom UI scale, you can control mouse wheel in and out. You can also just set it here manually if you want. But before, if you moved Stream Focus from one monitor to a different monitor of a different resolution, so say you moved it from a 4K monitor to a 2K monitor or a 1080 monitor, then the UI would get super big or super small, depending on what the monitor is. But now when it switches over, you guys can't see this because I'm only showing one screen, but now it stays consistent. So if I move it from my 4K monitor over to my 3K monitor, the visual scale will stay consistent. Like it looks the same exact size, which is awesome. I love it so much. Boop. Where can you download Stream Focus? You can get it on my website, pixelfiregames.com. Keep the superstar power humanal as an Easter egg because it seems cool. Yeah, I've got to make it look better though, because right now it's a glitch, and I'm actually gonna be fixing that glitch on stream today. So that is what we're doing today. I put some thought into it. So this is how this is what my original plan was for handling this. So let's see. Let's take this goon right here, for instance. My plan was whenever a goon has... Okay, so underneath the hoodies, there is the torso, right? And there's the skin, the torso and the arms. But sometimes when a hoodie is on, let me turn one of the hoodies on. Boop. You can see the torso popping through right there. So my plan was to code it so that whenever a hoodie is on, this section of the torso will turn transparent. So I have actually two separate materials that right now they look the same, but this one is actually separate material than that. So my plan was whenever a hoodie is on, I will make that section transparent by turning the alpha down to 0 like that, turning that off, and then boom, it's effectively transparent. So when there's a hoodie, you won't see it popping through the hoodie. But I'm running into some problems. You guys saw the rainbow effect. For some reason, when I switch it to transparent mode in code, it does something really weird in the back end. I don't know what's going on. I could keep playing around with it and fix it probably, or just make a simpler material to make it work. But I think a better way to handle this, I was thinking about this the other day. I think what I'm actually gonna do is not worry with transparency at all. And what I'm actually going to do is have all of it the same material, so no transparency involved at all. And I'm just gonna separate the torso section into a separate game object and then just turn it off and on, just like how I'm doing all the other pieces. So to do that, I'm going to have to go back into the blend file and then adjust this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the skin transparent material. Boop. Pants, I'm gonna turn the pants off so I can actually see this. Pants, okay. So now something very interesting is happening. What's going on there? Skin, select. All that is now skin material, which is great. But why are some of these, are they facing the wrong direction? Nope. There's a texture of some sort that it's using. Let's go into texture paint mode. Object, bring the right material. Oh, now it's just magically working. Oh, okay. It's magically working now. Great. Okay. Okay, so now everything shares the same skin material, which is great. Now I just need to split this into its own object. So let's see. What should I do? This goon. Torso. Another thing I want to do, guys, is I want to add shorts. So right now we only have pants. Right? We have pants. And to fix that skin transparent material back. Boop. So all we have is pants, and the pants based on the color could be jeans or khakis or sweatpants or whatever. Which works great, but I'd like to add shorts, I think. I don't have to, I'm not required to, the client hasn't asked for it, but it would help add a little bit more variation if we had some goons with shorts on. So I'm gonna make a shorts model as well while I'm at it, and then we'll be good to go. This is looking good. This is looking good. Yes, this is for an indie game. That rainbow guy is so funny. Oh gosh. So this is for a client. His name is Jason. He created a comic book brand called Twoland. Two, like the number, dash land, L-A-N-D. You can actually look it up. He literally, I'm not, no joke, he goes to a new Comic-Con like every single weekend, repping his brand. He has gotten multiple comic book issues printed already. Dr. Fu, what's up? How's it going? He has gotten action figures printed and made. He has got an animated cartoon episode on YouTube that you can watch right now. And now he has me creating this mobile game for the brand. So this is a superhero. His name is Drip. He's a tiger superhero. This takes place in a town called Tooland. And the character, the people, they're called humanals. They're like half human, half human. No, half human, or half human, half animal. So they're called humanals. It's very much, think Ninja Turtles. He gets a lot of his inspiration from Ninja Turtles and just the old like Saturday morning cartoon stuff. So yeah, that's Tooland. And this is the mobile game we're working on. Yeah, you guys should look it up. Look up toolandcomics.com and you can find all this stuff. It's super cool. He's a super, super cool, nice guy. Fantastic client. I know it looks super boring and lame right now with just the punch, but we recorded motion capture for so many different moves. We've got punches, kicks. He's got a staff that he holds, and he got so many moves for that. He's got a shield that he throws at people like Captain America. He's got a jetpack he flies around with. So we've got tons of motion capture animations that we've recorded for both the superhero and for the goons and for the final boss of level 1. So all that, I'll be integrating that into the game soon, but I want to finish this enemy randomizer. But we first got to make the shorts and split the body. So I'm gonna make the shorts first because I'm also gonna have to split the body based on the shorts. So let's worry about the shorts first. So let's hide the rig. Let's duplicate the pants. Call the shorts, hide the pants, and then take the shorts and we're gonna edit. But how are you guys doing today? Half human and half human, I know, right? Quotes by Pixelfire. Are you still building the thing for VTubers to use your Lego skin? Yes, 100%. I haven't started yet, but I would like to do that in the next few months. Haven't seen your page in a while. Don't it have one of those feedback suits where you can record? Yes, a motion capture suit. So I actually wanted to wear the motion capture suit and have Lego Pixelfire going while I was doing dev stream today, but I went to turn on the face capture and it did not work for account reasons. So I actually reached out to Rococo to ask them if they could fix that for me, because right now it is not working. So sorry about that. Can a car come up down the street? Yeah, I've got to put dodge in for sure, and he's got a shield you'll be able to use as well. The Rococo suits cost, I think, $1,500. I have a discount code if you're interested. It'll give you 5% off. But yeah, they're pretty expensive. There's cheaper suits out there. You're gonna get what you pay for. There's cheaper. You could get a mocap setup for free via webcam. Not the best, but it works. You can get a suit for a few $100s, and then the Rococo is around a few $1,000s. And then you can go all the way up to Vicon suits, which are like $50,000. So take your pick. Yeah, if you guys want the Rococo setup stuff, you can use my code. It's RKK_Pixelfire, and that'll get you 5% off. Okay, let's make these shorts. So instead of just deleting the bottom half, because I could legit just do this. Boop, boop. Those are super short. These are goons. They need to be like... But instead of just deleting this bit, what I'm going to do... I don't think I still need the knee topology. Let's see, how are we gonna handle this? First, is this mirrored? I don't know if this is mirrored. It's not mirrored. Okay. Let's delete that for now. And then bring this up. Obviously, we'll make it baggier and thicker, but lengthwise, I feel like that works. maybe a little bit higher. Let's turn on proportional editing. Hello, where is it? Connected only, smooth. Oh, it's just still small. There we go. Okay. Like, go right in there. Yep, that works. And then let's, oh, I need to do, oh, I need, hold on. Oh no, that works for rotation, but for scale, I need to switch this to individual origins. Nope. There we go. When's your multi-stream program come out, brother? It is out, Justin. It is right here. Stream focus. Boom. That's how I'm seeing your chats right now, guys. Look at this. Boop. You can see this? Yep, you can see this. I don't want those platform icons to show for too long because I know TikTok especially doesn't like that. So I'm zooming in and out frantically. So the TikTok FBI people don't pick up on it. Ooh, so Stream Focus is out and it is working. It is in early access. If you get a membership Ember tier or above on my website, you guys can get it today. This is actually a new build of Stream Focus that I'm using right now. I haven't released yet. I'm going to release it later today. But this adds crash reporting, which is super important. Some users have been getting a bug where they, after they use Stream Focus for a while, they go to close the app and then it crashes, which I have no idea why that's happening. It doesn't happen on my end, but this crash reporting will tell me exactly what the bug is. And another feature that this adds is it adds consistent UI scale, going from one monitor to a different monitor of a different resolution. So before, when I'd switch from my 4K monitor to my 3K monitor, the UI would scale up when it goes to the smaller resolution monitor, but now it stays visually consistent, which is super cool. If I move it over, you guys can't see this, but if I move it over, it stays the same size, which is awesome. This notification says that I'm on a different, it says, there's a new version of Stream Focus. Please visit Pixar Games, which is when it'll show up on your end when I actually upload this new build to my website. But it says that because right now I'm working on 2.3 alpha, but the latest available to you guys is 2.2 alpha. So it's telling me that there's a new version available, but I actually have the newest version. So it's a little, no one will ever see that except for me, but it's funny. It's $10 a month right now, for now. Because it's still super in beta. It will be free eventually, but right now, because it's so early in development, if I released it now completely for free to everyone, there'd be a lot more people using it. And because it's so early in development, there's going to be more bugs. And because there'd be so many more people using it and submitting bugs, it would take a lot more from me to provide support for that. And I don't have the capacity for that yet. So because it's so early, I'm limiting the amount of people that can use it at one time. And to limit it, I'm adding the membership requirement to it. So right now it's the $10 a month tier and above. And then after first round of early access, we'll open it up to the $3 tier. And then after a round of that, we'll open it up for free with optional enhancements for members. Because even after it's free, I gotta make money somehow, guys. To keep developing it and supporting everyone. Yeah, I agree. I think $10 is cheap. I mean, $10, you could get a meal at a fast food restaurant for that, or like 2 coffees. We don't get coffee a lot out because you get like $5 for coffee, which is crazy, but we make most of our coffee at home. But yeah, $10 in the grand scheme of things, depending on, I mean, what your budget is, of course. It's not that much. For some people, it's a lot, but it's also not. Using a third-party app and plugin right now, but it's not great. Yeah, Justin, you got to start using Stream Focus. Come on. I promise you, Stream Focus is the future. It's so early right now, so it's hard to convince you with what I have right here, but I promise you, man. We're going places. We already have almost 50 users, which is absolutely incredible. Do you get to keep access to software if you pay 10 and then quit the subscription? No, you do not. I might do something like that in the future, but right now, you only have access for as long as you have a membership. Your name will stay in the credits forever, so that's the only thing that stays around. So right now, if you go to settings and then go to, I need to add a scroll to the settings. Special thanks to our members, Boop. This is the credit section of Stream Focus. If you join for even 1 month and then quit, your name will always be in the credits forever. So that's the only thing that continues to last is your name in the credits. Which that's one of my favorite perks of the memberships on my website is because I just love giving credit to people that are supporting, because none of this would be possible without you guys. And I love doing that. Come on, scale. There we go. I know that is weird, Scralfy. Usually we have a lot more viewers on Purple Platform. I sent a notification. I also have not been streaming consistently for a long time. Like the last time I streamed besides 2 days ago was probably like a few months ago. I need to be more consistent with this for sure. Okay, let's do these shorts. Shorts are gonna be baggier than the pants, but I also don't want to go crazy. What do you guys think? I think the client will like that. What do you guys think? Shorts. Let's make these shorts. Well, first off, we definitely... No. Let me turn on X-axis mirroring. Perfect. Okay, now let's make this a little bigger. I feel like I should look at reference. I need to look at reference. Let's see. Low poly game shorts. Not quite, but okay. Those are definitely not. I mean, like, I need super low poly. This is, no. Goon shorts. No. Retro game shorts. No. Let's see. Street Fighter shorts. No. Street Fighter characters. Low poly fighting game retro characters. Here we go. Okay. Everyone has long pants. No one has shorts. Can you guys think of any game character that has shorts? There's gotta be some. Come on. Any ideas, guys? Been waiting ever since you announced a while back. That's awesome, Justin. Love to hear it. Hey, what's up? Aaron, how's it going? I hate is going on. Oh, what is going on, my guy? What's up, Aaron? How's it going? We're just working on an indie game dev right now. Trying to find some shorts. There's some, but there's boxing shorts super high. Goon. Thug. Low poly, baggy shorts. Why is it coming up with real stuff when I type in low poly? Game. Okay, this is not helping me. Oh, there's some sort of Sims. Oh, well, that's a good idea. Okay, Sims shorts. Sims. No. Sims male baggy shorts. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere. None of these are baggy though, they're just like long pants chopped off. That looks pretty good. That should be fine. I think what's gonna sell it is the texture. So I'll just use that as... So that goes just at the knee. That feels good. I like that. What do you guys think? Sora? Who is Sora? No worries, Scralfy. Thanks for joining. Salomon, what's up? I am working on an indie game for a client of mine. Here's the game. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Right now I'm working on the enemy randomizer, so we've got different clothing items and horns and masks and hair and stuff that randomizes at each enemy spawn. And right now I'm making some shorts because they all have long pants, so I want to make some shorts to add some variation. But I like the length of that. That looks good right at the knee. Now I just need to smooth out everything else. So like this bit right here. Can probably get rid of this bit, I think. Because we don't need the bend anymore. Are these UV? Yes, they are. It's got super hot. Is the heat on in here? Open my window. I don't want to show out my window. I'm gonna turn this off real quick. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, guys. Boom, boom, boom. It's hot in here as I drink coffee. Okay, let's finish these pants. Nope. Why is it not? Is it because of that? There we go. Okay. Wait. Oh, I gotta get those two. Okay, there's that. Let's move that up. That should do just fine. That looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Bindi and friends, what's up? How's it going? Like from the back, let's see. Oh yeah, that needs to move. There we go. That looks good for shorts. Maybe that needs to go. I don't technically have to split these like this, but I'm gonna do it just to do it. That works. I think that works for shorts. Okay, now I just need to rig it because if this is probably not gonna work. So I'm gonna need to rig it. Sticks, hose. Okay. Yeah, that does not work. Weight paint. Riku, what's up? How's it going? Foos, have you by chance do or know anyone that does animated starting streams? Animated starting streams? Yes, I can give you guys an animator. His name is... Can't remember. Ambiated. Look up Ambiated on X. Ambiated. Ambiated. He actually animated all my Flickr emotes. Where can I show you guys Flickr emotes? Oh, right here in Stream Focus. Oh yeah, look at this. Check it. So this doesn't have all my animated emotes, but here's one of them you can see. There's Flickr. Bloop. He animated him. Is that the only animated emote I have on Purple platform? I guess so. Yeah, he's a really good animator. And he doesn't just do emotes, he does animated graphic designs as well. Command Slime Light, how's it going? Thanks for being here. You confused me as soon as you said it. Rigging sticks in what? Why is that? Yeah, he changed the stick mode so it's not so intrusive. Okay, so I need to fix the weight painting on these. So on the pants are weight paint. Yeah, paint. Left up leg is way up there, and then the leg, it's literally split right at the knee. But because I moved the stuff up, ooh, what I could do is I could transfer weights from the pants to the shorts. That would be even easier. So let's do that. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to clear the shorts, pants. I always forget what order you select them in. It's pants first, then shorts. Yep. And then object, no, go to weight mode, boop, and then weights, transfer weights. This next part is complicated. Vertex groups, create data. All vertex groups. Create data, vertex mapping. Nearest vertex. Nearest vertex should be fine. Here's the important part, active layer. No, we want it to be by name so that it does all the layers. Destination layer, all layers, replace. Perfect. Okay, looks like it worked. Yep. Now, the short should move. Let me give this a different material so we can actually see better. Boop. Shorts. Awkward, okay. There we go. That sort of helps, not really. Okay. Now these should move together. Yes. Why are you taking from the other side? I mean, I can easily fix that, but it's not taking on blue, is it too? No, it's not. Okay, cool. Okay, so we transferred the weights. That's great. Hide. Yeah, we need a different color on that. Wait, what happened to that. Whoa, 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 whoa. What happened? What happened? What happened? Rest position, pose position. Do I need to apply the armature first before I do that? Before you transfer weights, do you need to... I bet you do. So let's undo that. Yeah. So let's turn that off, and this turn that off. And you two turn that off. Do this, and then, yeah. So I need to see from that point of view, tab X. Looks good, and then from the side. Beautiful. Looks like shorts to me. Ooh, that looks even better if I scale it up right in there. What do you guys think? Just gives it some extra bagginess. It's a little too much on the front. There we go. And then turn off X. Nope, median. There we go. I feel like the back end needs to stick out more. Yeah, because there's like no butts on these guys. That looks good. Okay, save that. How long have you been working on Blender for, bro? I can barely make my own model. I have been, so I'm 32, and I've been using Blender since I was 13 or 14 years old, somewhere around there, so 18 years. Riku, are they chill though? What do you mean, are they chill though? Or who chill though? Yeah, that's weird, like it's pulling the other side. We've been working on Blender. Blender has been out for that long. Oh yeah, Blender came out I started using Blender in like 2006, I believe, and I think they came out 2004, maybe? I don't remember. They had their birthday not too long ago. I think it was their 25. I think they had their 25-year anniversary like last year. Yeah, so I think they launched in 2000, somewhere around there. Okay, I'm good with the shorts. Now let's just transfer the weights from the pants. Select, then select, and then weight paint, and then weights. Transfer weights. Vertex, nearest vertex by name, so we get all of them, all layers replace. And that should be it. Maybe we do not topology, nearest vertex. Nearest face interpolated. That looks smoother. I like that. Okay. Now let's just double check. I've got to turn the armature back on. Obvi. Boop. Boop. And boopity. Nice. Okay. Now I don't have to worry about the intersecting model because I weight painted it while it was disconnected from each other, leg to leg. Beauty, 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 beauty. Let's hide the pants. Let's make sure these shorts are working right. Okay, it is working. I was just interfering with that. It does come in a little bit there. I'm gonna edit the weight painting a little bit for these guys. Weight painting. Let's see. Right leg, right up leg. Weight 0, strength 1, and then make sure. Okay, make sure it fixes the other leg too. Yep. And then we can do right leg, already has it, and then left leg. Yep. Okay, let's check that. I need to make sure I save this position, so I'm gonna rotate and then up here. Most he'll ever kick is that much, so I want to make sure we're smoothed really nicely. Boop. Now while it's in that position, in that pose, now we can work on the weight painting to smooth it out some. So we're going to blur, still on X. Sismon Swalkowski, what's up? How's it going? This model is for an indie mobile game I'm working on. Here's the game. I'm making some shorts for the goon, because right now all the bad guys have pants. Long pants, and I want to put some shorts in here as well. It should be, yeah, there's some color. Okay, so there's some color. So I'm working on variation right now, randomizing the goons. We've got horns that sometimes spawn. We've got hats, like that guy has a hat. Sometimes some of them have hoodie on, hoodie off. Some have hair, some don't. And then the colors randomize, but then they all have the same pants model. So I want to add a shorts model in as well. So that's what I'm working on right now. Okay, left leg. Left up leg. Beautiful, that's a lot smoother. That should work. Okay. Let's just double check that applied. Sometimes mirror mode does not work perfectly, which can be really frustrating. Yeah, see, like right there, pew, didn't work quite as well. Copy pose. Yeah, 2002, somewhere around there. That's right. At the time, did you think you'd be using Blender for this long? I mean, I had no idea at the time, but I just know how, because when I was a kid, like age 8 or 9, into my teenage years, I loved movies. But I think even more than the movies was watching the behind the scenes for movies like Lord of the Rings, Pirates of the Caribbean, Narnia, any movie like that that was like super fantastic, like epic, medieval, fantasy, love. I said fantastic, I mean fantastic, fantasy. Movies like that, and I just loved watching the behind the scenes and seeing how the visual effects artists and the 3D artists made stuff in 3D. So I'd watch the behind the scenes and I would see them, I would get to see their computer monitor, which this was like decades ago, but they were on their computer monitor moving around in 3D space and making like castles and monsters and trolls and stuff. I thought it was so cool. And so I, little 13, 14-year-old me, I had my little laptop, and I grew up in Africa. So I was in the middle of nowhere in Africa, okay, on my little laptop with dial-up internet. And I remember searching for 3D software. All of them cost money. But so then I searched free 3D software, and I stumbled across Blender. Found Blender, it was the only free 3D software I could find. And I downloaded it, and I was met with, let me save this, and then I was met with this right here. I opened up Blender, of course it was a much older version of Blender, and you're met with the default cube. I saw it and I was like, wow, this is so cool. And then I figured out how to press the middle mouse button and move around like this. And I kid you not, my mouth, I was like this. Because in my mind, a light bulb went off. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm moving around in 3D. I'm seeing exactly what those animators are seeing on their screens when they make the 3D stuff for these movies. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm moving around in 3D space. The sky's the limit. There's nothing that I can't create now that I'm in this 3D environment. Little did I know how complicated it would be to make stuff, but I just downloaded Blender, was blown away just by getting to move around in 3D space. It just blew my mind, and followed some tutorials. There weren't very many tutorials online back then for Blender, but I found a few. I remember one of the first tutorials I ever went through was, I don't remember what it was called. It was called something like A Ride Through the Mines or something, where it taught you how to make a minecart and then create a track that was on a path, and then you parented the camera to the minecart. So like pretend that's the minecart, parent it to the minecart, and then the cube would follow a path. And so then when you go into camera mode, it would be like you were inside the cart. You were inside the cart, and then the cart would move along the path like this, and it was just super cool. That was one of the first tutorials I ever went through. Was like a ride through. It was super fun, and so ever since then, for the past, that was 2006. So for the past 19 years, I've been creating 3D stuff, visual effects. My job is I work on movies, commercials, TV shows, and now games. I started working on games as well, getting game contracts a few years ago. So yeah, I just love creating stuff in 3D. I love visual effects. I just love it all. It's super fun. So yeah, back then I didn't know that I would one day be doing stuff in 3D full time. I didn't know that, but I think I probably hoped I would, because I just loved it so much. Now that you're experienced, you should recreate that. Oh, recreate the ride through the mines. I really want to do that, not with the ride through the mines, but there are some old animations that I made when I first started out, specifically Lego animations that I made. And I still have them. I want to upload them at some point, I think, and show them to you guys how janky they were. And then like recreate it now, or just put it next to stuff I've created now. Yeah, maybe I'll show that stuff on stream one day. You're looking forward to playing it? Awesome. I'm sure my client would love to hear that. Okay, so I need to fix that. Why is that not as smooth as the other side? Right, oh, wrong model. Maybe they look identical. Let's hide the body. Oh yeah, they're identical. Minus that middle part. But why are they not showing up the same? That's super weird. Oh, it's just how it's drawing the quad, because the quad is so... Oh yeah, because the quad is bent. That's why. The quad is bent and it's just displaying the triangles. So if I converted this to tris, yeah, there it works. Okay. So we're good. It's just displaying it as a messed up quad. Okay. And it'll get converted to tris anyway in the game, so that shouldn't be a problem. But I might just go ahead and convert that to tris so that I know that it's going to work properly. So what I'm going to do, it's that one. Yeah, so I'm going to convert that to try. Whoa. Okay. Okay, what's going on? There we go. body back in. Okay, that should work. Save. Catch up on chat real quick. Oh, dude, you're live. I've been trying to make my own model for TikTok. Okay, cool. Was not expecting this. Make a video that's side-by-side comparison and like it. 18 years of Blender or something. Yes, I would love to do that someday, Riku. That'd be super cool. Hugo, I'm trying to gauge a realistic timeline for modeling my own virtual character. Have you ever done any modeling before? It's inspired by a 2D artwork, and I'm not looking for anything more complex than your Lego model. The Lego model is actually pretty complex. Well, the face is. Well, they probably couldn't afford to pay you today. Where can I inquire about what your rate is? You can send me a DM on Discord. Yes, I do commissions. Yes, in that case, if I can find out the software you use for the Lego model, I'll just do it myself. Yeah, so I did the modeling for the Lego character in Blender, and then I run it as a virtual character in Unity. I feel like it would have taken him less time than it will for me. Nope, zero modeling aside from dreams on PC. If you have zero modeling experience, well, I guess it depends on what you want to model. Have you watched any tutorials on YouTube yet? Okay, let's finalize this and get it over to Unity. Let's bring you back. Actually, let's just test that out. Boop, and then copy pose, paste, mirrored. Okay, let me just double check one more time. Yep. Yep. Still a little janky in here. Let me fix this real quick. Where's my weights? Where's my weights? Where's my weights? All right, up leg. No, left up leg. Yeah, I'll smooth this out a little bit. Boop. There we go. Boop. That might mess up the back end. Might mess up the other left leg. Okay. Oh wait, did I have? I didn't have mirror on. Wait, maybe I had mirror on for weights. Nope, I didn't. Okay. Okay. Object, boop, weights, mirror. Just go crazy with a. Yep, it's mirroring. Okay. Mirror mode on, left leg, blur it ever so slightly. Boop. No, not that way. Whoa, Hugo, what are you doing? Hugo sent a donut, perfume, hat and what? Hat and mustache. Friendship, finger heart, rose. Oh my gosh, dude, thank you so much. Oh, and I see Voss and Hugo and Gigi Coco sent heart me's. Thank you so much, guys. Dr. Gamer sent rose and TikTok. Dude, thank you so much. Hugo, appreciate all the gifts. Travis, I totally forgot my profile image shows the character I want to make. Oh. Oh, cool. That little, I can't tell what it is, teddy bear, white teddy bear guy. Thank you for the value. Oh yeah, no problem, dude. How long do you plan on streaming for? Probably another 45 minutes? It's a white Maltese puppy. Okay, cool. That's awesome. And the GGs, thank you so much. Thank you for all the gifts. I really need to make gifts and from TikTok show up in Stream Focus. Because right now it's only messages, but it doesn't show any of the gifts or follows or subs or anything like that. So I need a panel up here that shows that. Gotta go back to work, but yeah, been meaning to meet you. Thank you so much, Hugo. That means a lot. Yeah, have a good time at work, and thanks for joining while you could. Means a lot. Okay, that should be good. Object, save, beautiful. Okay, pose. Okay, so shorts are done. Shorts are going to have a different material than pants, right? Yes. Yes, 100%. So I'm going to change this to shorts. And I do need to redo the UVs, I believe. Why can't I? There we go. Pants are good. Shorts, oh, they might not be. Let me go into shading and do a grid texture and see if it's lined up nicely. Yeah, I definitely need to redo that. So like, pants are great, evenly distributed, but the shorts need to be redone. Okay, UV editing. I don't want to I guess I could just redo it. Is that not getting stretched? My seams are all still the same, right? Yes. Check my pants. For all seams. Select similar seam. Yeah, so bottom, up the middle. Okay. And then shorts. Let's check the seam, similar seam. Yeah, seams are all still good. Okay. So I can just do that. That's fine. I want to keep them in the same location as the pants though, so that I can just copy over pockets and stuff once I do the texturing. So like right now, everything should match up except for that bottom part. So I think what I might do is just this. They're still gonna be off though. I'm just gonna do it from scratch. Oh well. Okay. Okay, we're good. UVs are good. Now, the only thing I need to do is split the body model into pieces. I really hate to do this, but that's what It's typically what's done, but I hate doing it this way. We posting the stream on YouTube? Yes, every stream is, you can follow the progress for this whole game, so every stream that I've ever done is stored as a VOD over on YT. Yep, 100%. It's got its own fancy little playlist too, so you can go through all the videos in order if you want to. But yeah, this will be over there. Yeah, guys, if you guys are still watching stream, would you please smash the like button over and over and over again? So we can get some, we're super low on viewers right now. I'd love to get some more in here. I forgot creators can't say other platform. Yeah, typically platforms, well, it's namely, I think IG doesn't care as much, but from my own tests and uploading shorts and stuff to different platforms, the platform that hates it the most is TT. TT hates it the most, mentioning other platforms. After that, I think it's TWI, hates it, mentioning other platforms, and then YT after that. CG Jack, what's up? Hey, I finally got you back in my FYP. That's awesome. Love to see. Good to see you again, CG Jack. Okay, let's split this body into pieces. So I'm gonna split it into. I need arms and head can be one, and legs, but then torso and pants need to be separate. So let's do this. Let's do that. Can be its own. Where does it stop? Oh, perfect stopping point right there. Actually, I might need to go a little bit deeper. Right. Might be too deep. No, that should be okay. Okay, so selection. Okay, and then I need this part. Actually, if I turn that off, you'll then see that. So I'm gonna actually not do that. Let's do that. Do I ever have to? Maybe I don't have to turn off legs ever. Let's see. If I didn't have to ever turn off the leg model, that would be great. Yeah, it does poke through up there. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off. Hate to do that, but oh well. Okay. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. Too much. Boop. Yeah, I think that should be good. Okay. Piece selection. Now we have goon, and then goon torso, and then goon crotch, legs. Not even. That wouldn't be torso too. Could I call that lower torso? That's not torso though. Yes, this is for the superhero game. Dan the Drifter, what's up? First time chat over on TWI. What's up? What's going on? Waist? Let's do that. Was it? Okay, so we've got the goon body split into goon, and then torso, and waist. Okay, we should be good to go. Let's make sure I turn off that. Same on the pants, turn off that. Let's turn all the hoodies back on. I don't need to disconnect these because I'm not even transferring texture at this point anyway, but might as well. And shoes. I have shoes of their own material, huh? I did not know that. Okay. Okay, we should be good to transfer to Unity now. Goon, torso, goon waist, hair, hat. We got our hoodies, horns, mask, pants, and now shorts model as well. Beautiful. I wanted to make sure the legs looked good with the shoes. Yeah, looks decent. Cool. Let's go, let's go. Love it. Okay, save. Shorts is its own material. I want to make sure that I deleted the transparent from the goon body. Yes, no transparent material anymore. Don't have to worry about that. Okay, now let's get this guy over to Unity. And I have the armatures on correctly. Okay, we should be good. All, file, export, FBX. Two new characters, goon. And then switch this over to that. And then export. And then open up Unity. Let's make sure it transfers over correctly to the goon. Let's see. Okay, I'm just copying the new goon over to Unity. He's now 1013 KB and he was 851 KB. Place the file. And let's watch it update. You ready? As soon as I click into Unity, it should update. And 3, 2, 1, boop. There we go. All updated with the shorts model. Perfect. Here's if these models you make are available to use unless it's only for the game. These models I'm working on will only be available for the game because this is a project for a client. But the stuff that I make for myself on my end, yes, will eventually be available to you guys. So I plan in the next few months on starting development on a VTuber app, packaging up all the tools that I've created for myself for the Lego character and the Minecraft character and all that stuff, so that you guys can build your own virtual character and world and use the Minecraft setup and the Lego setup and all that. So in that sense, my models will be available to you, yes. But these models for this game that I'm building for a client will not be available just because they're his IP. Scroufy is back. Let's go. Great question though. Okay, so we've got our shorts in the game now, and we've got the body split up. Yep, perfect. Goon torso, goon waist. And we're not dealing with transparency anymore, so now I need to code that in as well. What is interfering right there? It's not the hoodies, is it? Okay, just the shorts and the pants interfering with each other. Got it, okay. And those will never show up at the same time anyway. Okay. So I've got to adjust our goon randomizer code. Let's open that up. Not gonna be back long. My break is like 5 more minutes. Okay, no worries. No, the models were just intersecting each other, but they won't be on at the same time anyway, so. Okay, enemy randomizer. Let me make this smaller so you guys can see it better. Okay, so let's add the shorts on here. Okay, so headpieces, hoodies. Okay, so we're randomizing hoodies. Now I need to randomize the pants. So I need to make another list. Hoodies. Let's do public list game object pants. And let's do pants first. We'll work from the ground up. So pants first, then hoodies. Okay? So pants. So then before we do hoodies, let's see, hoodies. Let's turn all the pants off, just like we're doing for everything else. For each game object, pants, pant, in pants, pant, set active false. Okay, so we're turning all them off right away, and then after that, we need to randomize pants. Randomize pants, int random index, pants, random range, pants count, but we don't ever want to have no pants on. We do want to sometimes have no hoodie on so that he has no top clothing, but we never want him to have no pants. Cause or maybe we should make it so that like there's a very rare chance that an enemy will spawn with no pants on. Let's actually leave it with the +1 for now so that there is a chance, and we'll see what that looks like. That's gonna be hilarious. Okay, randomize pants, boop. And then let's just do this, copy this. If putting pants on, soon we will always have pants on, but if putting pants on, let's see, random index pants equals pants count, pants, random index pants, true, hoodie on. We'll do this for now, pants on. Or no, we don't ever need to know that pants are on because that's not going to affect any other item. So I can just delete that. Okay, so that should, so that code should now, well, once I, hold on, let me add them to the list first. So the pants list, let me drag over pants and shorts. There we go. And then apply those to all the goons. Apply that to all the goons. Okay. So now, all the goons, when they spawn, they should randomly spawn with either the shorts on, or the pants on, or nothing on. So, let's test that out. Yeah, that'd be a great Easter egg. Oh, the shorts look sweet! Oh, dude, that looks awesome. The torso's messed up a little bit. Oh, and that guy has no pants on. Looks like boxer briefs. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. Like if these were humans and like basic skin colors, like, but because these are humanals, I don't know. I feel like we need to put pants on. It doesn't quite look as funny as I thought it would because the torso skin color is not matching. So what I need to do, let's see. I need to update this so that I need to fix the torso and the waist showing up or not showing up depending on what's on or not. Aaron, thank you for the tiny dime and the donut. It means a lot. Yes, LVZY. This is Drip. This is for Tooland Comics. Yeah. Have you been to a Comic-Con? Have you seen his stuff? What language description? This is C#. Yeah, he's doing a Tooland game. Yeah, this is the Tooland game. Oh, Riku's saying, yeah. Yeah, so this is the game I'm developing for Jason, for the Tooland Comics brand. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn that off. So randomize pants. Let's see. So there'll always be pants for now. Pants count. And then I can get rid of this. Boop. Pants, random index, set active object true. There, that should work. Now it should only ever put shorts or pants on. Okay. Let's test that. Okay. Always pants. Where's the shorts? Restart. There's the shorts. Awesome. Dude, shorts look sick. I love it. There's 3 shorts and 2 pants. Okay, cool. Now let's fix the torso stuff. No, the Easter egg. We might put it in later, but I need to talk to client about that. That's a client decision. I performed on stage at my local theater. Oh, cool. That's awesome, Scruffy. Love it. What'd you do? What was the play? Okay, let's fix the torso stuff. Okay, so right now, this is how I'm gonna handle turning the torso and the waist off. I'm going to, first off down here, I was doing it by material, so I don't have to do it by material anymore. So if no hood, that's the head pieces. Then we get all renders and we switch the material. So for each, randomize the color of each material. So skin color. Okay, for all the materials, don't randomize the pupils or the eye whites. We're not doing anything with transparent material anymore. Oh wait, they're gonna share the same material, so I don't even need to do this. No, I do need to tell that because there's separate game objects, I think. Yeah, so after setting a random material to every single piece, if mat name contains skin, yep, set the skin color to the random color that we chose. And then for each game object, no, I don't need to do for each game, for each material, it looks for transparent. No, I just need to look for the torso and the waist and set those to the same material. So, because torso and waist only have skin. Yeah, so I don't need to do the alpha or any of that anymore. So all I need to do, turn that off for now. I need to set a reference to torso and waist. So let's see here. Public game object, torso, public game object, waist. Okay. And then excited to see Rampage one day. Yeah, we're gonna get started on Rampage soon. Because of deadline, I might not actually do Rampage myself. I might outsource Rampage, the modeling, to someone else who I've hired in the past. But yeah, I need to get the ball rolling on that soon for sure. The cool part was that it was made entirely by the cast. It was the play called Grimm, an abridged version. That's really cool. That's awesome. How many people were in the play? Torso and waist. Okay. So I also need to turn torso and waist on or off based on what's happening. So they're going to be on by default, but then if putting a hoodie on, so up here, if less than or equal to hoodie count -1, if putting a hoodie on, hoodie on, hoodie on, hood on, and then torso set active false, because if a hoodie is on, we need to turn the torso off. turn torso off, or I'll just say disable torso model. Okay. And then if we're putting pants on, oh no, we're always putting pants on. It's if we're putting shorts on. So if random index pants equals, let's see what pants is on here. Or shorts is the second one. So if it's the second one, if we're wearing shorts, if random index pants equals 1, that means we're wearing shorts. Then no, wait. We should always be disabling. Yeah, because the waist needs to be disabled for pants and for shorts. Yeah, so it always needs to be disabled. Okay, never mind. So why do I even have that? I shouldn't have even exported that as part of the FBX. So I'll just turn waist off by default. It should always be off. Yes, it's always off. So I'm just gonna re-export this model and turn waist off. I do want to keep the waist around for texturing. Actually, I don't even need to do that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna do that. File, export, FBX, goon, boop, export. And then over here, copy it over, and that should go away once I move this over. Yep, waist gone. Beautiful. Okay. All the waists are gone. And then here, I don't need to reference the waist. Boop. Only the torso. And now, just like we were doing before, if we're wearing a hoodie, turn torso off. Beautiful. I think that's everything. No, I still need to make the torso skin color the same as the other. Because right now, 8 people. Okay, that's cool. Smallish. Yeah, so sometimes the torso is a different color than the arms, and that should not happen. So all I need to do is down here, for each material, for all the materials that are not pupil or eye white, randomize. Pick a random color. Matte color equals random color. If matte name is skin, set the skin color. And then after that, we go to torso, get component, renderer, material, color equals the random skin color there. That should do it right there. Awesome, and then I can just get rid of all this. And then we don't have to deal with any of the transparency stuff. And it'll just work. So much cleaner, so much cleaner. No glitches, no transparency material stuff. All shares the same skin material. This should work golden. Here we go, let's test it out. Please work. Please work. Okay, Okay, give me someone without a hoodie. Let's see if it works. Nope, they all have hoodies on. No, it didn't work. Why didn't it work? Oh, I didn't assign the torso. That's why. So I need to assign the torso. Where is it? Torso. So goon torso is that. And I just need to apply that to all of them. Now it should work. I'm too dumb to understand this. No, you're not. Stick around. You'll learn some stuff. Why is it still not working? It's setting a different color. Where are you, torso dude? Here you are. Okay. Let's pause this, pause the game. Okay, you've got skin. You've got skin. You should be the same color as that. Because for every color in all the materials, for each render. Oh, wait a second. No, I can't do that in there. I need to bring this out of that method. Right there. But it's not gonna read skin color because skin color is in there, so all I need to do is set this to there. Actually, let me put this here. Boop, boop. Now it's outside of the for each loop and now it should work. Set torso color. But I only need to set the torso color if we're not wearing a hood. So let me actually do this also. This just adds some efficiency and performance boost. If hoodie on equals false, so if we don't have the hoodie on, which means we're showing the torso, then we can set the torso. Set torso color to match body color if we're not wearing a hoodie. Okay, if hoodie on equals false, torso get component renderer, material color equals the skin color that we defined right here. That should do it. What's your opinion on AI being able to make games now? Do you think it will hurt the industry? Make games? What do you mean by that? I mean, they're making the most simple retro games that were made like decades ago. They're not making something like this. Help or hurt the industry? AI in general? It depends on what it is. So like I use AI. I use ChatGPT for coding help all the time, like every single day. And in that case, it really helps me out a lot. As long as it's in as much as AI is used as a tool to help an artist, I think it's great. I love it. And I want to see improvements there for sure. I love it. But as far as AI completing creating a complete work of art by itself, without any artistic input from a human at all, I just don't know that it's ever going to be that good. It might be good visually, like it might look good, but there's always going to need to be a creative input from an artist. I could be wrong, but I don't think that AI will ever get to the point where it doesn't need any human input at all. If it did, then yeah, that would definitely hurt the industry. Why is this still broken? Torso should be the same color. Let's check this dude out. What's going on? Okay, goon. Hoodie on is false. Great. Which means that the torso, this guy, material color should equal that skin color. material name contains skin. It might be because Unity's funny like this. So you have to get the material as a variable and then apply it back. So I'm gonna try that. Material, but I didn't do it up here. Softbees watches, sent a heart me. Thank you so much. Is Unity the best engine for small-sized games? Yes, I would say so. The two best game engines are Unity and Unreal. If you're wanting to make a game for mobile, I would say definitely go with Unity. If you're wanting to make a large open world game for consoles, like Xbox, PlayStation, PC, like high-end, then go with Unreal Engine. But the likelihood that a single developer is going to make something like that is very slim. So you can make mobile games with Unreal, and you can make open world realistic games with Unity. You can do both. So you honestly can't go wrong with either. For me, for all of the games that I am currently developing and games that I have in my mind that I want to develop, I'm perfectly good to keep using Unity. There's like maybe one game idea I have that I'd like to make in the far future that I might explore using Unreal for. But yeah, it just depends on what you want to make. Depends on the quality and the platform you want to build for. I say quality, not quality. The visual look you want to go for. Okay. Material block is going to get material bloop. Material. And then blah color equals skin color, and then torso get component render material equals blah. Let's see if that works. Sometimes you have to grab the material, change the material, and then apply it back, which is kind of annoying, but sometimes that's the issue that Unity throws, so we'll figure it out. And it's still not working. Do I have everything applied over here? I'm pretty sure I do. Hoodies, headpieces. Why is that not working? I had an epiphany. I make drip for my animations. What? What do you mean by that? Rampage is a sick name. Yeah, Rampage is super cool. Why is it giving a different material or a different color? Maybe it's setting it. It is setting it here. I know that it's setting the torso material here, right here. But then I'm overriding it right here, so it should apply. Maybe I should not set it here. Might be waiting for the next frame to update, and then it's using the first change as opposed to the second, as opposed to the override. So what if I do for each render R in renders, if render game object name does not equal torso. Let's try that. I was going to follow, but notice I already am, so this is what the man behind the Lego looks like. Yes, that's awesome. That's really cool. I was actually going to do a stream today. Oh, I think it's working. I think it's working. Yep, gray, gray, red, red. It's working. I was going to stream today. Yes. All white, all brown. Yes, love it. I was going to stream today with the motion capture suit on and have Lego Pixel Fire down below. That's why there's that big empty space below, because I'm going to have Pixel Fire down there. But I went to start it and face capture wasn't working. So for some reason, Rococo took face capture off my account. So I sent him an email and hopefully I'll get it back soon. Awesome. That was it. That was weird. That was super weird. I'm going to ask ChatGPT why this is happening. And we'll see what the answer is. Okay. Unity C#. This is my working code, but it wasn't working when I didn't have if our game object does not equal torso. In that it wasn't making the torso material copy the material color of the skin color that I was setting. Why did it not work before when I didn't have the if line? The issue arises because of how Unity handles material instances when you modify render material in your script. What was happening without this line? Render material creates a unique instance of the material when accessed. When you loop through renders and modify the materials, if you include the torso, Unity creates a new material instance for the torso. Okay. Since the torso's material was modified during the loop, it was no longer referencing the same material that this was accessing at the end of the script. As a result, when you try to change the torso's material color to skin color, you are modifying a different material instance, not the one you intended. Got it. So if I change that to shared material, it would work? Let me see. Why my line fixed it. By skipping the torso in the loop, you prevented a new material instance from being created. Got it. This allowed the final assignment to correctly modify the torso's original material, which was still intact. How to avoid this issue more cleanly? If you need to, okay, I was right. If you need to change multiple materials and keep references intact, consider using renderer shared material for non-instance modifications or manually cache references if you need to modify multiple places. Let me know if this. Okay, got it. Okay, is there a more efficient way I can make torso copy the color? Yes, you can make the torso copy color more efficient without assigning a new material instance at the end. Here's a cleaner, more efficient approach. Yes, exactly what I was doing before. So this works now. Let's see. Exactly what I was doing before. Torso get component material color equals skin color. Yeah, so that works. Just like I had it before, but now it only works because I put that in there. If you're applying the same color to multiple materials, consider caching the render or material. No, I don't need to cache. Okay. So it's referencing off a different material. Yeah, but I still don't understand why it doesn't work, because even if it becomes a material instance here, right after that, in this line, I'm doing torso get component render material. And because of that line, it should get whatever material is on the torso, even if it's an instance material being set here. Unless this just needs to be shared material, which it probably does. So what if I get rid of that, go back to this before, and change this to shared material? Let's do that. See if that works. I bet it'll work. Nope, it doesn't. Huh. Skin instance. Skin instance. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT again. Okay, but shouldn't... Back up. Okay, but since I'm using get component to get the material on the torso after the fact, shouldn't it still be getting whatever material is on the torso, even if it is a material instance? You're absolutely right to think that calling that should give you the current material on the torso, even if it's an instance. However, the subtle issue here is with Unity's material instancing behavior and how it affects the references in your script. When you access material during the loop, Unity clones the original material and assigns the new instance to that object. Okay. The torso was included in the loop, its material would be replaced by a new instance. Okay, that's fine. Multiple material instances without that line when the loop processes the torso, a new instance material. Okay, got it. Why the later get component material didn't work, when you later did that, you were modifying a new instance of the material, which was no longer the same instance you set the skin color on earlier. This happens because Unity had already created a different instance of the material for the torso during the loop. Okay, but still, okay. But because it's happening after, it should now make a new material. I don't understand. If you ever want to include the torso in the loop but prevent this issue, you can use render shared materials. Use shared materials to avoid instancing. Shared materials modifies the original material and doesn't create new instances. Okay, so I could do this right here, are shared materials, and then set that there. Command Slime Light, yes. Thank you so much. Reminder to like, follow, and subscribe. Yes, please do that, guys. Please do that. Now they're all brown. That can't be a coincidence. Maybe it was. No. Oh, it's yeah, because they're all, yeah, I can't use shared materials. Because every object this is on is sharing the same. Yeah, can't do that. Yep, and then it's actually changing the material, like the original material, and I do not want that. Frick, okay, yeah, we're not using shared materials. Going back, materials. Material, because we want to change the instance of the material, not the original material. Okay, so let's just go back and add that line. For each render in renderers, if our game object does not equal torso. Boop. Okay. That's the color of each material, except for the torso. And then set torso color to match body color if we're not wearing a hoodie. If hoodie on equals false. Okay, we should be good now. Now I just need to, I don't need to do this, but I'm going to re-import the goon so that we get that original. We fix all of our changed materials that I just changed in code, which I don't want to do. Okay, so goon re-import should work. Yep, there we go. Okay. Now we should be set. Kaden, what's up? I'm working on a mobile game, a mobile superhero game for a client of mine. Okay, we're getting different colors, perfect. Some have pants, some have shorts. We're not getting any errors. Some have hoodie on, hood off, sleeves up, sleeves down. Different colors. Some have masks, some have hood on. Let's restart. Horn. They always have pants on. No one has no pants, which is great. Everything's like it's working. Everything's randomizing great. Some of these colors are a little dark and they're hard to see. I'm so happy that we added the shorts today. The shorts helps add so much extra variation, as opposed to all of them having pants, long pants. Love it. What do you guys think? All 5 of these have their hood on? They don't always have hood on, do they? No, okay. Okay, now we've got some more variation. That guy has a hat on. I kind of want the mask to always be black. It's randomizing the color of the mask too. Yeah, mask should always be black, so I'm gonna not randomize the color of the mask. So what is the mask? Whoa, what is the mask? Material, it's actually called mask. Okay, so what I have to do is don't change the don't randomize the color of pupils or eye whites or mask. Beautiful. Okay. Now the mask will always be black. Thank you, Riku. Appreciate it. Caden says, I make VR games on Unity. That's it. Oh, awesome. That's cool. Why am I not getting your message on Stream Focus? Hey, Caden, can you send another message on TikTok? Okay, YT is still working. That's good. Hey, Caden, can you send another message on TikTok? Or can anyone send a message on TikTok? I want to make sure messages are still coming through. Because I'm getting Riku's message, but I didn't get Caden's. Okay, Riku works. Why am I not getting Caden's messages? Caden, can you send another message, please? Also, Command Slime Light, would you mind sending one on TWI? Purple platform? Yeah, I think they probably left. It's so weird. Caden sent 2 messages and I didn't get any of them. Thanks for all the likes on the stream, guys. It means a lot. Awesome. Thank you, Command Slime Light. Why did I not get Caden messages? He does have emotes in his name. Could that have thrown it off, maybe? Trying to see if I got any other messages from someone with an emote in their name. No, Hugo. Hugo had an emote in his name. Where is Hugo? And that showed up. That's a moon, it looks like. A moon. And Caden's emotes are crosses. Super weird why those messages didn't come through. Command Slime Light says, I would never have the patience for this. I think I have the patience for this because I love it so much. It's my hobby. My job is my hobby. I love doing this stuff. It's easy to have patience for stuff that you love doing. So my recommendation, if you guys are ever on the job hunt, or if you're thinking about what you want your career to be, look for something that you love. Look for something that you love. Well, I want to make sure that the torso is getting turned off for these guys with hoodies on. Oh no, yeah, torch is getting turned off. Awesome. Torso's off. Beautiful. Oh, I wanted to check the mask to make sure they're always black. Black, yep. Black, 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 black. Gorgeous. That guy's ears the same color? Yes, that's right. Okay. He looks blacker, but they're the same. Cool. I feel like next I need to add some more moves in here. Because all we got is a punch. We recorded a ton of motion capture. I just gotta get it in here. Also, the goons aren't fighting me. I need to add the goons fighting me too. Come here. Come here. Nice. You were there when I was mocapping the animations. That's awesome, Riku. That's so that was a fun stream. I love doing that. Those are all VODs, by the way, guys. If you ever want to go back and look at those, they're all on YT. Need to add the jetpack in. Need to add the shield and the staff. All sorts of stuff. I'm gonna change the specular on all these materials. Let's see, goon, materials. So all the clothing needs to be like pretty much non-existent. Do like maybe 0.2. So the hoodie, iris, doesn't really matter, you're not gonna see that much. Eye whites. Eye whites are super reflective, so that should be like 0.95. Hoodie, 0.2. Iris, also 0.95. Pants, 0.2. Actually, I feel like pants are always a little bit more reflective than hoodies, but I'll leave it at 0.2. That's fine. Pupils, 0.95. Shoes, 0.2. Skin. Oh, skin's transparent, can get out of here. We don't need that anymore. Delete. Because it's not part of the goon, is it? Goon material. Oh, I have new materials. I need to bring those in. Extract materials. Okay, wait. Am I having duplicates here? No, just on the skin. There shouldn't be two skins. Why would there be two skins? Okay, let's just delete all these. Boop. And then extract materials. Okay. Now eye whites, iris, and pupils can all be 0.95. And then hair can stay a little reflective. Leave that at like 0.5 for now. Hat, hoodie, mask, pants, shoes, shorts can all be 0.2. And then skin can be 0.5. Oh no, that's super reflective. No way, Jose. No way. 0.2. Because it's fur essentially, so it's gonna be fur, so it should be like the clothes. So eye whites, hair 0.5. 0.2 is the hat. Hoodie 0.2. Horns should be a little reflective. Not that reflective. Horns are gonna look so good once they have a texture on them. 0.4 looks good for horns. Yep. 0.4, iris 0.95, mask 0.2, pants 0.2, pupils 0.5, shoes 0.2, skin 0.2. Okay, that's all set. Now let's test this out. Here we go. Specular looks much better. All the skin colors are like super dark though. I think I need to make the skin colors, like that black color's a little too dark. Let's make it a 15, maybe even a 20. And we'll do 18, 17. And then I need more brown in here. The white clothing seems a bit bright on a gun if their skin is also white. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, white is super white. You're right. Well, I need to apply this too. E3. 80. There we go. That's better. Oh. Okay, let's try that. That's better. I still need to differentiate it if it's white fur and white hoodie. But I think it'll also help too when I add texture. This is super cool. It looks so much better now with a variation. Because before, all the goons looked the same every time. This looks great. Client's gonna love this. Lil Mike, what's up? What's your question? That is a lot of white. I feel like if you come across goons, they're gonna be in mostly dark clothing, so I should limit the amount of times that white can spawn. Look at that guy. White horns. Okay, so that's what I was hoping to avoid. By splitting the torso, you can see the line crease there. I was hoping that wouldn't happen. Frick. Come on, man, your playing makes me want to play. When it's released, you guys can play it. It'll be free for sure, too. Well, don't say for sure. Can't say for sure. That's the client's decision. Client really wants to find a way to monetize it. And I'm all for monetizing games, but a mobile game should be free. 100%. There's ways to monetize a free mobile game. I'm trying to convince my client on this, not to make the game paid, but to do like optional ads, but we'll see. Will multi-tab be free? I want to know because I go live on TikTok also, and I would love it. It will be free eventually, yes, but right now Stream Focus is behind the paywall because if it was free, right, it's still so early in development that there's bound to be tons of bugs at its current stage of development. If I opened it up for free, it would have a ton more users, and because it's so early in development, those tons of users would be submitting tons of bugs, and I don't have the capacity to provide that much support at this point. So because it's in such an early state, I have to keep it behind the membership paywall to limit the amount of users that use it right now for the time being. But it will eventually be free, yes. When that will be, I have no idea. Likely 5-6 months from now, maybe. That's a guess. Okay. I really wish this was not an issue. Zero 0.2, 0.2 metallic opaque front, metallic opaque front. Maybe it'll help when there's textures, but gosh, I really hate that that seam is there. Maybe it's, I think it's a normal setting. Maybe if I change, let me go out of play mode. Let me hide this, hide all of the hoodies. Yeah, we definitely see the seam there. Gosh darn it, okay. Might be a way we can fix this by changing something over in here. Normals import, blend shape normals calculate. We should import those, I think. Nope, that didn't fix it. Normals calculate. Nope. Normals mode, area and angle weighted, angle weighted. Nope. Nope. Prefer smoothing groups from smoothing groups. Apply. Nope. Angle. Apply. Tangents. Import. Nope. Weld vertices. Off. Keep quads. Optimize mesh, nothing. That's really frustrating. Smoothing angle. Let's get. I don't think players will even get that close of a look unless there's a model viewer. Yeah, 100%. You're right. You're right. I just need to go. I'm a perfectionist, and that really eats up my time a lot, like right now. But you're totally right. You will never see it. It's too far away. So like, I'll show you guys this. This is for mobile. It's not even a console game. So I can barely notice the seam. On my end, what I'm looking at on my 4K monitor, it's like this big. So it's like the size of a tablet, a large tablet, and I can barely see it. So it's gonna be on mobile. It's gonna be like, yeah, you're not. Yeah, you're right. I don't need to worry about it. You're right. I don't need to worry about the seam. You're 100% correct. Yeah, I can't even notice the seam. You're 100% correct. Not gonna worry about it. Not gonna worry about it. Plus, I wasn't planning on doing this before, but I was thinking about it either yesterday or this morning. I think I want to try to put some fur on these humanals. Any spot where you see skin, I want to try to put fur there. The fur is gonna be very, very, very low poly. It's gonna be like on cards. We'll have cards of fur. And it'll be very minimal, like a few cards per character, but just seeing that little extra bit on like the elbows and the hands maybe, I think could be really cool. Empress, first time chat on Twitch. What is up? Elopixfire, it's nice to meet you. Groovy Goose, I love your work and your blue Lego guys, one of my favorite styles for VTubing channel. Awesome, that's so cool. Hope today has been treating you kindly as well. Thank you so much, Empress. Thanks for popping into chat. I was actually planning on doing a VTuber dev stream today where I'd have my IRL self up on top and then Lego VTuber on the bottom. That's why that bottom, oh I guess you're on Twitch, that doesn't show up, but on TikTok I have a blank space down there. I was gonna do Lego VTuber on here as well and do the dev in a mocap suit today, but the face capture wasn't working, so I sent an email to Rococo and hopefully that'll get fixed soon. But yeah. Yeah, also using Stream Focus right now at the same time too, which has been fun. We have 1 viewer on YT and 2 on Twitch and 8 on TikTok. Okay, so it looks like Empress is using emotes. Well, obviously, yeah, those aren't my channel emotes. So I still need to add support for emotes from other channels. Riku says, yeah, fluff is always great. Yeah, I think it'd be really cool. Is it live viewer count? Because most multi-chat adds everyone that joins and don't go down. Let's see. Yes, it is live viewer count. So there is a caveat with the live viewer count. YouTube is spot on. It should match exactly it should match the viewer count that you see on the actual YouTube stream. TikTok is as well. TikTok is pretty real time. The Twitch viewer count is not real time, and the reason is it's not on my end. That's a Twitch thing. So whenever Twitch updates the viewer count on their end, it does show the real-time viewer count on a Twitch stream, but they cache that value on their database, and what my multi-chat app is reading from and what every other multi-chat app reads from is the viewer count that Twitch caches, not the viewer count that Twitch displays in real time on a Twitch stream. And they cache a new viewer count for each stream like every It ranges from every few minutes up to 30 minutes, I think. So the Twitch viewer count is as real time as Twitch will allow, pretty much. As fast as Twitch is caching the viewer count value for that stream. Yes, sorry, I mean YT and TW. Yep, sorry about that. Okay, guys, I need to go. It is 1 p.m. I need to go eat lunch. But we're finished. The enemy randomizer is finished. I still need to work on the colors. I'm gonna run this by my client and see what he thinks. Because all the colors, except for the white, I think is a little dark. We need to brighten up some of these colors, and then also make sure that certain objects, when they get randomized, only randomize certain colors. So right now I have every object, every horn, every hat, every mask, every hoodie, every pants, every shorts, every skin color, every shoe can be all 7 of these colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But I need to limit them, so I need to have different groups of colors. So like skin colors can be these 4 colors, and hats can be these 5 colors. But right now everything can be all these colors, and that doesn't always work. So I need to change that. But other than that, it's working great. And yeah, thanks for joining the stream today, guys. Had a blast. Be sure to follow all my socials and the Discord as well. The Discord is a great place to be. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Hope you guys have a great rest of your Friday. It's Friday. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.